Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Vellabox for the month, so let's get in it and check it out. This is my very first Vellabox candle and there's still a lot left because I only burn it when I'm up here. The one that I got the next month, so a full month later, is down in my kitchen and it's almost gone. So I am so happy to have this. When I first got my Vellabox, I thought, wow, can I really burn through one of these big candles in a month? Because they come in 3 sizes. And I thought, well, even if I can't, I'll just put them in different rooms. I am ready for this one in my kitchen. That is what this month's box looks like. And it says, I may not have gone where I intended to go, but I think I have ended up where I intended to be. And it's Douglas Adams. So that's kind of a fun summer or actually lifetime quote. Ooh, our bag is a pretty different one this month. That is what it looks like. I have been keeping these to stick my Lush. I put a couple of bubble bars in it. And between this and my Ipsy Glam Bag X bags, I have tucked them in my dresser drawers, in my closet. I am loving them. This box is sent to me free for review, but because we review it on the channel, they give me a 50% off your first purchase. So I will put the link and my code Kathrin50 below. And if you go over and pick any of the sizes, you will get 50% off your first box. When you first sign on, they ask you a lot of questions to see what kind of flavors and scents it is that you like. You can let them know when the holiday season comes around if you're gonna want the Christmassy, cinnamony, pine tree-y ones, which I said, absolutely. So I can't wait until fall. And if you are new to Vellabox, Vellabox is an artisan candle subscription that highlights small batch candle companies within the US. The beauty is they're clean candles, which is so awesome because when you burn candles, all of that smoke that's going into your air, you don't want it to be from paraffin. These are clean candles and they are so much better for you. Let me gloss up and tell you a little bit more about it. It began as an artisan candle subscription service in 2015. And every month they partner with a different artisan candle maker in the US and select their best seasonally inspired scents to feature in the box. Every candle is natural and clean burning, made with 100% natural wax, phthalate-free fragrance, cotton wicks, and always dye-free, paraben-free, and vegan. And that's what I wanted to be sure and read because I know that that's important to me. Do I still use other candles? I do. When my grandkids are over, are these the ones that I'm burning? Yes, they are. Don't you hate when people ask themselves questions and answer them? Yeah, generally I do. Sorry. And each month you also get a little treat in the box. And this month, what are these? Are these car fragrance things, you know, that you hang in your car? Let's see. We have a little bit of paperwork that just tells us a little bit about the candle and these are saguaro cactus car fresheners. They have a $16 value. Take your favorite BT scent on the road with you wherever you go. Great for hanging on the rearview mirror and other small spaces. The saguaro cactus scent is a spicy floral creation made up of cactus, jade flower, agave, moss, and aloe, reminiscent of walking into a florist shop and experiencing the aroma of fresh cut flowers, stem trimmings, and botanical soaked waters. So BT is the brand, I would imagine. I can't smell it and I really don't want to open it until I'm putting it in my car. I will report back on these. And then the star of the show. Each month it comes in a gorgeous canvas bag. I've had a plain one and then this is my second design. When I open it up, I have, put my fingers in and got my finger stuck. Oh, it's a brown. Oh, this is my first brown jar. That's kind of exciting. I am kind of excited about this because at their site, you should go over and check out their site, even if the subscription box isn't something you want. They have, because they know we're getting these jars every month, they have little rooting starters that you can put in the top and start plants in. And I just thought, wouldn't that be cute lined up on a windowsill? And now with a brown, I can do like my clear, the brown, a clear, because I like things to be, yeah. Anyway, this is from Night Shift Wax Company and it's Arches, which is white sage, clary, amber, and sand. I chose a different one. For the summer, I've been getting more light scents. So this is very exciting. Let me tell you a little bit. It says, Night Shift is the featured maker, and the paperwork says, launched in 2017 out of owner Samantha Cipriani's little home in St. Petersburg, Florida. After suffering many allergies caused from mass-produced home and body fragrances, she set out to create a product that was hypoallergenic and plant-based. Upon receiving a certification in perfumery, she began formulating scents for natural soy candles and personal fragrance products. So that's just a little bit about the company. And then the scent is woodsy. I chose this one because it's the first woodsy. I've gone with florals and that kind of thing. This is my first woodsy, and it says clay, wild sage, sand, cashmere, ivy, sea salt, lilac, resin, bergamot, cedarwood, and pine. Inspired by backpacking trips to the amazing Arches National Park, tie up your boots, fill up your canteen, and let this candle transport you to the trails. Soak in the vistas and views. Okay, are you ready? I'm ready. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. I expected when I picked the woodsy, I was afraid isn't the right word, but I thought I might have to tuck it away for fall or winter because you know how woodsy, sometimes with the sandalwood, the pines, those kinds of things, it feels a little heavy. This does not. Despite being woodsy, it still feels really light and bright. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. This might be my favorite that I've received from them so far. It is, I thought that it was a little too woodsy. I'd put it in my husband's office. I'm not sharing. This is mine. Yeah, this is gonna be where I can smell. It is amazing. So it's just, they always go with the dye-free. So that's it, a nice little center wick. I just wanna keep smelling it. I love these candles. Let me tell you something else I've learned. This is my third candle, and what I have learned about these candles is, generally speaking, I don't trim the wicks. I feel like I want to because they do get a little long, but I feel like they burn better if you don't trim the wicks. Let me know if you've had this, if you have the same experience. So I have basically quit trimming the wicks on these. I just blow them out, and when I want them the next time, I light the wick again. I feel like if I take it down to that 1/4 inch they're talking about, also maybe I don't know what a 1/4 of an inch is, I feel like it's too low and it doesn't burn bright enough. I want to smell it one more time. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. So the company that they worked with this month was Night Shift Wax Company. This is the Arches, and they say it's white sage, clay, amber, and sand. I don't know what that is, but it is a beautiful, beautiful combination. All right, so that is our Vellabox for this month. So as our little treat, we got these Sage Arrow Cactus car fresheners and our gorgeous candle, which is really the start of the show. And I burn candles constantly, and the big one is lasting me month to month. So you can pick the size that works for you. I will put my code below because it gets you 50% off. 50, I'm saying, not 15. 50% off your first box, which I think is amazing. All right, thank you so much for coming by for this, guys. I love this candle subscription. It is absolutely gorgeous. Not one scent that I have received have I not loved. You know, I don't usually lean toward the woodsy scents. I would buy this if I were somewhere and smelled it. It is gorgeous. All right, have a great day. Thank you for coming by. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Help me out there in the algorithms. I hope you'll subscribe, and I will see you again really soon. Have a great summer, guys.